How to use VLC Media Player to convert videos to MP4. So if you have a video in another format and want to convert it into an MP4 file, this tutorial will help you do that. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have VLC Media Player installed on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, open up your web browser and search for VLC Media Player. Then go to the official VLC website and download the software onto your computer. Once VLC Media Player is installed, open it up. Now, go to the top left-hand side and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, click on Convert/Save. Inside the new window, make sure you're on the File tab. Then click on the Add button and select the video file you want to convert. Once you've added your video, click on Convert/Save at the bottom. Now, under the Profile section, click on the drop-down menu and select the MP4 format. After that, click on Browse next to the Destination File section. Now, choose where you want to save the converted video and give the file a name. Make sure the file name ends with .mp4. Once you've done that, click Save. Now, all you need to do is click on Start. VLC Media Player will now begin converting your video into an MP4 file. Once the conversion is complete, you can go to the location where you saved the file, and your new MP4 video will be there. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, make sure to like the video, and subscribe for more VLC tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.